because I had forgot about y'all. Not I hope. I know y'all gonna enjoy the video. This the U-Haul store?
Shit get hectic over here. I'm not these other bitches, pretty but with poison, baby. I probably kill a nigga, Chucky.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You already know to subscribe below because you already know we not begging. So today's video is going to be like a little vlog. I'm just doing my little daily. My sister about to be moving, so I'm helping her move. So I just been helping her do, you know, basically helping her move. I gotta go get some boxes. I gotta go to Dollar Tree and stuff like that. So I'll probably be talking to y'all and y'all probably see some of that in this vlog. But I hope y'all been enjoying the content. If you haven't, y'all already know I don't care because it's still going to get posted, right? Okay, make sure you go check my website, www.melanindior.com, for all your cosmetic needs, your lashes, your pens, all that other stuff. All that other good stuff, so make sure you go check that out. And I hope you guys, I know y'all going to enjoy the video. To those that watch it, and to those that actually watch my content, I got something coming for y'all soon. More goodies. I'm gonna stay dropping gems. Most of them gems gonna be in the middle of the video to see who actually watching it, see who actually paying attention, just so y'all know. Okay, enjoy the video.
Wonder why your girl always why your girl, yeah.
Let's go grab some boxes. This the U-Haul store? Oh yeah. Oh, boxes. Here they go right here. About to grab us some boxes. Large. Maybe medium boxes?
We don't have any medium.
No medium?
No.
Okay. Oh, thank you. How many?
She have
3 small, 1 large.
3 small, 1 large. Any tape? Any tape?
Oh no, I have tape.
$10.
The birdies. Little birdies. Okay, let me get my list. Come on. Come on, Peyton. So, let me get my list out. Y'all about to see a little of this Dollar Tree, and then I'm about to see y'all in the next clip. Watch out. Packing paper. Let me see if they had packing paper here. There goes some. Let me get one of those. I'm gonna need some bubble wrap. We should be in the packing area further down. And then we're gonna get some tape. These folks are not saying excuse me. That's why I be cussing people out. So let's see if they had some tape. Trying to get 2 of those tapes at the bottom.